We are talking all things ExpressVPN, so let's get straight into why ExpressVPN is the crowd's favorite right now. I'm going to tell you what it's got, what you should be looking for with VPNs, and why ExpressVPN is my #1 recommended today. So let's get straight in. So guys, as you can see on their website, it says it is the #1 trusted leader in VPN, and there's a reason that I keep stressing to you. That link down below is going to get you the best deal for ExpressVPN. I'm actually going to show you that link very soon on onlyvpns.net. But first, let's talk about what we actually have here. And I'm going to show you a little bit of the app as well. So you got secure access worldwide. Okay, they've got some really cool protocols on here. Just one click to a safer internet. It literally shows one click. I'm going to show you that very soon. And you can use it on any of the following devices: Windows, Apple, Android, iOS, any more. Okay, so there's nothing it doesn't allow you to do. All right, no matter what device you're using, ExpressVPN subscription will work. It's got stronger data protection than most VPNs, works seamlessly everywhere, and lightning quick. So let's get into the app. Let's actually show you how it works. So guys, this is what it looks like. Okay, this is the app, and it seriously is just one click of a button. So I'm in France right now, but if I want to change this to, for example, the United States, okay, I just click connect. And before I even finish this sentence like that, it's connected to the USA, New Jersey. Now, what you want to do is if you're watching Netflix or something like that and you think it's blocked the IP address, all you do is come in and change the server. You don't have to change the country. Okay, go through all the servers that America has here. Let's go to Miami 2. Okay, and within seconds, it's connected. Before I even finish that sentence again. Okay, so more points on this. Ultra fast servers in 94 countries. I showed you a bit on the app, as you can see. But you can see the full list of servers here. Or you can just go straight into the app and have a look yourself. Click on these little lines here and click VPN locations. Now you can see a good amount of countries, okay? Compared to some of them, there's not that many countries. But if you go to the different continents, you'll start to see them all. All right, go to Europe, see them all as well. And again, you can go inside and actually have a look at different servers. So let's look at Germany. Go inside, it's got free servers for Germany. Okay, going on to a bit of their settings, you can open up their preferences tabs, have a look at their general. Please make sure you've got your kill switch turned on. I'll show you that very soon. All the protocols, I keep it on automatic, so it's recommended. Okay, you check your account on here. Your shortcuts, if you want to just jump straight to a site without having to log in and do this every time. Get your extension. You can actually connect this to your Google Chrome, which I do recommend everyone doing, and your threat manager. All right, if you go into advanced, it'll start to show you a little bit more about how to improve it. But one that I definitely want you to have a look at, okay, is this. This little tick is what we call the kill switch, okay? Stop all internet traffic and the VPN disconnects unexpectedly. What that means is if when you're online, if a server was to go down, your stuff is not stored on there. So you're not stored online, so you will be safe at all points. That's another reason why we love ExpressVPN. Device users, you get to use 5. So in your household, you can use 5, even if they're not in your household. But what I want to stress is that there is some VPNs that only allow you to use 1. All right, you can use it on 5 different devices. I use this on my phone, use this on my laptop. I've got it on my browser here as well, okay? And it will have the exact same speeds. There's no difference. There's no bandwidth getting used between each one. Use the exact same speeds overall. Guys, if you go over to onlyvpns.net, okay, and at the top, if you just click recommendations or click this recommend button, the first one that pops up is going to be ExpressVPN. Now, we've got a lot of VPNs on here, but we're talking about Express right now. If you click that, you're going to get a super link. All right, that's going to give you the best deal on the market today. So you're getting 30 days for free, okay, risk-free to try this out. So you can start your trial right now. Once you have a look, you can actually see the prices for this, okay, and go through exactly how much they cost. So let's have a look at what ExpressVPN is coming out at right now. So for 1 month, you're getting it for €12.47, okay. Now for 12 months, you're getting it for €6.42. That's the best deal and the most popular, and you're getting 3 months. Using that link down below and going through onlyvpns.net, you're getting 3 months for free. That's including your free trial. So guys, you've got to get in on this. If you don't like it within 30 days, you can get your money back guaranteed. If you're looking for a VPN, guys, that is cheap enough on the market and you can use with multiple devices, this is the one I would say. Hit that link down below and get involved. If you want to leave me a comment with any more information than you know, or if you want to find anything more out about VPNs, please let us know on the channel in the comments. Now hit that like button, hit the subscribe, leave a follow, and I will see you next time.